Hello children, how are you all? Children, I hope you all are good. You are watching videos and completing your work. So children, I welcome you all to computer class 1. Children, in our previous video, we were doing chapter 4 of our computer book, that is IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes Computer Series 1. So children, we were doing chapter 4, that is places where computers are found or places where computers are used. So children, our chapter is chapter 4, places where computers are used. So in this chapter we have studied about various uses of computer or the places, various places where computers are found. So children, as we know, and we studied also that computer can do lot of tasks, it can do many tasks, and as per the different work done by the computer, it is found at different places. So by now you all must have understood which are the places where we use computers, or we can say nowadays everywhere we are using computer. And I hope you all agree with me, because we use the computer at home, we use school computers at schools, we use computers at offices, we use computer railway station and airport, we use in shops, malls और हॉस्पिटल, बैंक, तो लगभग सब जगह पे हम कंप्यूटर को यूज़ करते हैं. तो चिल्ड्रन, चाहे कोई छोटा काम करने वाला हो या बड़ा काम करने वाला हो, सब लोग अपना काम आजकल, चाहे वो फैशन डिज़ाइनर हो, चाहे वो आर्किटेक्ट हो, सब लोग कंप्यूटर से ही अपना काम करते हैं. तो इट हैज़ बिकम पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. एंड यू ऑल एग्री विथ मी चिल्ड्रन, बिकॉज you have also studied the chapter and understood that the computer can do many tasks, and here it is used at every places. So children, we have understood all the uses of computer at different places, and after completing the chapter we had started our exercise also, and we had done some of the questions. So let us revise those questions which we had done in our previous video and then proceed further into the chapter. So children, in the previous video we had done question number 1, that is tick the correct answers. So here we have 3 questions children. As you know, a dash computers are used for preparing exam result. As we know children, at dash computers are used for preparing exam result. As you know children, where do we have exams children? We have exams in schools, and that is why exam results are prepared in schools. So computers are used for preparing exam result in school. So the answer is school. So here children, question number 1, book exercise, question number A, that is, as you know, tick the correct answer. Here we had 3 questions. In each question we had 3 options. Correct option or answers. Tick the correct option or answers also you can write. And children, as we know, under this we had 3 questions. First question जो हमारा है, उसमें we have at dash computers are used for preparing exam results. EXAMRESULT, exam results. So children, where do we have exams? We have exams in schools. That is why the results are prepared in school. So here you will write at school, SCHOOL, school. Now first answer is at school computers are used for preparing exam results. So exams are conducted in school, that is why the results are also prepared in the school. Now so this is first one and first answer children. Now we have second one. अब हमारे पास है second वाला. Second वाले में हमारे पास है children 2. Second वाले में हमारे पास है question number 2. At shop, as we know children, computers are used at shop also. At shop, a computer helps in dash bills. So children, at shops, computers are used for what? For dash bills, for printing bill. At shops, computers are used for printing, for यहाँ शॉप से एट शॉप दिया हुआ है हमें प्रिंटिंग लिखना है। एट शॉप इज गिवन SHOP शॉप, कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर डैश बिल्स BISS। व्हाट आर बिल्स चिल्ड्रन? आफ्टर बाइंग द आइटम्स वी गेट अ बिल। जो भी हम सामान खरीदते हैं उसका हमें बिल मिलता है और जिसमें क्वांटिटी लिखा होता है और प्राइस लिखा होता है, और दैट वी पे इन द शॉप। तो दैट बिल इज प्रिंटेड using the computer. So you will write at shop computers are used for printing 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 bills. Now thirdly children, in third we have at railway station computers help in booking. At railway station AT at RAILWAY railway station STATION. At railway station computers 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 are computers help in booking 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 what children? Booking tickets। क्योंकि रेलवे स्टेशन में हम टिकट बुक कराते हैं तो रेलवे स्टेशन में कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर बुकिंग टिकट्स। तो जो रेलवे स्टेशन में काम होता है वो टिकट बुक करने का होता है, तो रेलवे स्टेशन में कंप्यूटर्स हेल्प से बुकिंग द टिकट। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड चिल्ड्रन। एट स्कूल कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर प्रिपेयरिंग एग्जाम रिजल्ट्स। स्कूल में एग्जाम्स होते हैं तो एग्जाम रिजल्ट कहाँ प्रिपेयर होगा? स्कूल में ही होगा, तो आंसर इज स्कूल। देन एट शॉप कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड फॉर प्रिंटिंग बिल। शॉप में क्या होता है? शॉप में कंप्यूटर को यूज करके हम बिल प्रिंट करते हैं। एट रेलवे स्टेशन कंप्यूटर्स हेल्प इन बुकिंग टिकट्स। और रेलवे स्टेशन में जो कंप्यूटर होता है उसको यूज करके हम टिकट्स बुक करते हैं। जब हमें कहीं आना जाना होता है तो ही हम रेल का यूज करते हैं। फॉर दैट वी नीड अ टिकट एंड दैट टिकट इज बुक्ड यूजिंग द कंप्यूटर, या मोबाइल को यूज करके हम वो टिकट को घर बैठे बुक कर सकते हैं। So there also we need a computer. So this is question number 1 children. Let us revise question number B. In question number B children, let us have a short look, quick look. So children, we will take a quick look of this question. We will not write the question, we will only write the answer. Question number B में है guess the places where the computers are used. Guess the places where computers are used in these statements. So B children, आपको उन प्लेसेस को गेस करना है जहाँ पे कंप्यूटर्स पाए जाते हैं। सो हियर सम क्लूज आर गिवन। तो फर्स्ट क्लूज इज चिल्ड्रन हेल्प्स टू कीप रिकॉर्ड इन लाइब्रेरी। सो चिल्ड्रन वेयर डू वी हैव लाइब्रेरी? लाइब्रेरी इज फाउंड इन द स्कूल, सो द आंसर इज स्कूल। सो ऑप्शन गिवन हियर इज, यहाँ पे ऑप्शन हमें दिया हुआ है जहाँ पे हमें सम ऑफ द लेटर्स आर गिवन। जैसे कि यहाँ पे एस दिया हुआ है, यहाँ पे एस लिखा हुआ है, एस, फिर सी है, एच है, देन O है और L है। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है SCHOOL। अब यहाँ पे लिखा क्या क्या है? S लिखा था तो हमें C लिखना था, देन H दिया हुआ था, हमें O लिखना था। सो हियर चिल्ड्रन वी हैव रेड द क्लू में है helps to keep records in library. Helps to keep record in library. Library is found in the school, so answer is school, because here we are asked to guess the place where these things are found. Here we are asked to guess the place where these things happen or these task is done. तो यहाँ पे जो रिकॉर्ड लाइब्रेरी में रिकॉर्ड रखा जाता है वो स्कूल में रखा जाता है क्योंकि स्कूल में ही लाइब्रेरी होती है। देन सेकेंड वन चिल्ड्रन, सेकेंड वन हमारे पास है हेल्प्स। यहाँ पे हमारे पास है helps in typing letters. Where do we type letters children? We type letter in, let us see the word given here are, सबसे पहला letter is O, then we have I, C, E, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पे हमारे पास है, यहाँ पे O है, उसके बाद हमारे पास डैश है, F लिखा हुआ है, और उसके बाद हमारे पास दिया हुआ है आई थिंक यहाँ पे डैश है, यहाँ पे डैश है और यहाँ पे सी है। सो चिल्ड्रन इफ यू लुक एट द लेटर्स गिवन हियर OFC, this also shows we know that the letters are typed in the offices and by seeing the clue also we can say it is office only. So OFFICE office, OFFICE office. तो ये है office. Third is question number 3, helps in making bills. Helps in making bills, children. Where do we make bills? As we studied in the previous question also, we make bills in the shop. We get the bills in the shop. So the clues given is, only one clue is given, that is O. Only one letter is given and the remaining we are going to write. So children, as we know, we print bills in the shops. We make bills in the shop. So the answer is shop. Let us write SHOP, shop. आंसर क्या है? शॉप है. हम बिल कहाँ प्रिंट करते हैं? हम बिल ऑफिस में हम बिल शॉप्स में प्रिंट करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे आंसर इज शॉप. नाउ फोर्थ वन चिल्ड्रन, फोर्थ आंसर है helps in preparing medical report. So children, where do we prepare medical report? We prepare medical report in the hospital. So the answer is hospital, and the clue given here is, let us see the clue and match our answer with the clue, whether it's matching or not. So here we have H, then we have O, then we have S, then we have P, then we have I, and then we have T, A, T है और T नहीं लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे ब्लैंक है, और लास्ट में L is given. So children, yes, the letter starts with H, the word starts with H and ends with L. This means it's hospital only. So the answer is hospital. HOSPITAL, hospital. So the answer is hospital. The place helps in preparing medical report. Where do we prepare medical reports? We prepare medical reports in the hospital. So the answer is hospital, and we have written here HOSPITAL, hospital. Now next one is, and the last one is children, 5, helps in booking tickets. So where do we book tickets, children? We book tickets in the airport as well as in the railway station. So let us find whether it is airport or a railway station. As we can see, the word starts with A. This means it is airport. So here you will write A. Here you will write A. आप यहाँ पे A लिखेंगे. Then you have I. Then P is also given. Then again we have 2 dash and last we have T. So A, I, R, P, O, R, T, airport. So children, as we know, ticket can be booked in airport as well as in the railway station, at railway station or at the airport. But the clue given is starts with A and ends with T. This means it is airport. तो यहाँ पे हम airport लिखेंगे. Now, so first answer is a school, second is office, third is shop, fourth one is hospital, and last one is airport. Now coming to question number C. अब हम question number C को revise करेंगे. So children, question number C में हमारे पास है true and false. So here we are going to revise true and false. First one children, as you can see here, यहाँ पे true और false है. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि जो पहला वाला है उसमें we have the computers are used for teaching. So children, computers are used for teaching. So children, do we use computers for teaching? Yes, we use computers for teaching. So this statement is true. First one is true, and you will write here T for true statement. पहला वाला statement सही है, so you will write here T for true. As we know children, computers are also used for teaching. So first statement is true, and you will write T for true. Now second one children, computers can keep the record of fee at school. So children, you are doing page number 31 of your computer book, page number 31. So page number 31 पे first question is question number C. Write T for true and F for false statement. Now question number 1 is computers are used for teaching. This is true. Second one is computers can keep the record of fee at schools. Computers can keep the record of fee at school. So children, as we have studied in the chapter, computers are used at school for keeping the record of fee also, the fee deposited by the students, the fee which the students deposit, उसका भी रिकॉर्ड हम कंप्यूटर के थ्रू रखते हैं. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू एंड यू विल राइट टी फॉर ट्रू. तो आप यहाँ पे टी फॉर ट्रू लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट वाला भी ट्रू है क्योंकि इट इज यूज्ड फॉर टीचिंग, कंप्यूटर इज यूज्ड फॉर टीचिंग. एंड सेकेंड वन इज ऑल्सो ट्रू बिकॉज कंप्यूटर्स आर यूज्ड for keeping the record of the fee in the school or at the school. Now, computers are helpful in offices. As we know children, the computer is one of the important item or the machine or the device which is used in the offices. So, यहाँ पे this statement is also true and you will write here T for true. Now, fourth one children. Fourth one में we have computers cannot be used at shops. कंप्यूटर कैनॉट बी यूज्ड एट शॉप्स. कंप्यूटर को हम शॉप्स में यूज नहीं करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर्स कैनॉट बी यूज्ड एट शॉप्स is a wrong statement. So children, as we know, computers are used at shops for printing the bills and keeping the record of the stock. तो यहाँ पे कंप्यूटर्स हम शॉप्स में भी कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ पे कैनॉट यूज किया आप नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स एंड यू विल राइट F for false. आप यहाँ पे लिखेंगे F for false. Now 5 children. 5 में we have computers help at railway stations. Computers help at railway stations. So children, computers help at railway stations. This statement is also true because we use computers at railway station for ticketing, for booking the tickets, for cancellation of the ticket as well as for enquiry purpose. So children, this statement is true that computers help at railway stations. So you will write T for true. Fifth one is true. Then sixth one children. Sixth वाले में हमारे पास है computers cannot be used for booking ticket at airport. So children, this statement is false because हम airport पर भी इसका आप कंप्यूटर का यूज करते हो. किस लिए यूज करते हो? For booking the ticket. Same as at airport we use for ticketing, for reservation, for cancellation or for enquiry. The same things are done at airport also. So this statement is false because it is written here computers cannot be used at airport. तो ये वाला false है. आप इसके सामने F for false लिखेंगे. So children, with this we have completed question number C also, and now we are going to do question number D. In question number D children, we have crosswords. We have already completed question number C. Now we are going to do question number D. In question number D we have crosswords. अब यहाँ पे question number D है. You can see here solve cross CROSS words. Crossword puzzles. Crossword puzzles. यहाँ पे हम crossword puzzles को solve करेंगे या puzzle लिखते हैं सिर्फ. Okay, so this is the question children. Now here we have some boxes given. तो यहाँ पे सबसे पहले बीच में हमारे जो बॉक्स है it has 8 columns. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारे पास है 8 columns. तो we'll start from here. थोड़ा सा पतला करते हैं इसको. So we have a box here. And these have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So these are the boxes. This is first one. Now we have another one. In this we have 3. We have 3. So it is 1, 2 and 3. Now the next one we have 1, 2, 3. Fourth one में हमारे पास इधर we have 4. यहाँ पे हमारे पास 4 है. So here we have 4. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारे पास यहाँ पे भी इस साइड भी 3 है. तो दिस इज 1. थोड़ा पतला हो गया है. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now So these are the boxes. Now here we have one more, एक और है हमारे पास। चलो तो ये हो गया, ये है and we have here also one. Now so here are the boxes. Now this is crossword puzzle. Now numbering is done here, children. Here we have 1, then we have 2, then we have 3, then we have 4. Now look at the boxes. If you look at the boxes, children, you can see 1 will go up to down. It will start from here and go downwards, and 2 will go left to right, 3 will go left to right, 4 will also go left to right. So let us start reading the questions given here. So children, first question is diagnosing the diseases. अब इसके अलावा some letters are given. So let us write the letters which are already written here. This is H and here we have M. Then we have P. यहाँ पे P है. Then we have A here. These are the clues. And then we have A. And then we have K. अब बाकी सारे blanks है. We are going to fill these blanks. All these are blanks which we are going to fill. हम इन सबको fill करेंगे और complete करेंगे. Now first question है हमारा. First one is diagnosing the diseases. D-I-A-N-O-S-I-N-G. Diagnosis. Diagnosis. G-N-O-S-I-N-G. Diagnosing the disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E-S. Diseases. यानी to find out the disease. When we go to the doctor, doctor finds out the disease. So where do we go and मतलब where do we have doctor who finds out the disease, children? So that is the hospital. First वाले में हमारे पास सबसे बड़ा जो word है that is hospital. तो when we go to the doctor, doctor is found in the hospital. Doctors are present in the hospital. Doctors find out the disease. They listen to us. They try to understand what problem we are having. वो हमारे प्रॉब्लम को सुनते हैं, फिर उसके बाद उसको समझ करके वो हमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है उससे पता करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो यहाँ डायग्नोस करना मतलब टू फाइंड आउट. तो यहाँ पे द डॉक्टर्स आर फाउंड इन द हॉस्पिटल. सो द वर्ड स्टार्ट्स विथ एच एंड सबसे लंबा वर्ड है इस पूरे क्रॉसवर्ड पजल में. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे HOSP लिखा है ITAL हॉस्पिटल. इसे हम कहेंगे हॉस्पिटल. सो यू हैव रिटन हॉस्पिटल. Now second one is surfing the internet. So children, second one is SURFING. Surfing the the internet. Surfing the internet. अब यहाँ पे children, as you know, surfing the internet का मतलब हुआ finding something. तो जो इंटरनेट होता है उसके थ्रू हमें कुछ अगर नहीं आता या फिर कोई डाउट है तो हम उसे ढूंढते हैं और पता करते हैं. तो इंटरनेट के थ्रू हम सर्फिंग करके या फाइंड आउट करते हैं. सर्च इंजन पे जा करके हम चीज़ों को पता लगाते हैं. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो हमारी किताब में नहीं दी होती लेकिन हमें पता करना होता है या फिर हमें जानना होता है, क्यूरियोसिटी होती है, तो हम उसे जानने के लिए इंटरनेट सर्फिंग करते हैं और उसके बाद उसका आंसर पता करते हैं. तो ढूंढने को हम सर्फिंग कहते हैं. इंटरनेट के थ्रू किसी भी चीज़ को पता लगाने को इंटरनेट सर्फिंग कहते हैं. तो वी डू इंटरनेट सर्फिंग एट होम. हम घर पे इंटरनेट सर्फिंग करते हैं. तो द आंसर फॉर 2 इज होम. H दिया है, M दिया है, यू विल राइट OME. तो ये हो गया होम. दिस इज होम. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन. इन थर्ड वी हैव reserving tickets. Where do we reserve ticket? As I told you, we reserve ticket. Reserving ticket, we reserve ticket in railway station also, and at railway station also, and at airport also. So let us see reserving tickets. Let us see the option and tell whether it is railway station or airport. So third wala children, here the first letter is A and बीच में P है. That means it is airport, not the railway station. So you will write here AIRPORT. T, port, airport. So the answer of question number 3 is reserving ticket is airport, because we use computers at airport for reserving tickets. Now depositing, depositing, depositing and withdrawing, withdrawing, withdrawing and withdrawing, depositing and withdrawing money, money, money. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों इसमें हम देख सकते हैं हमारा फोर्थ वाला है, हम डिपॉजिट और विड्रॉ करने का काम बैंक में करते हैं। हम मनी को बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं यानी जमा करते हैं और वहाँ से जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो निकालते हैं। तो बैंक इज़ द प्लेस वेयर वी कैन कीप आवर वैल्यूबल्स और मनी सेफली। बैंक वो प्लेस है जहाँ पे अपने वैल्यूबल्स को और अपने मनी को सेफली रख सकते हैं। और अगर हम घर पे रखते हैं तो हमारे जान को भी खतरा है और हमारे सामान को भी खतरा है। तो यहाँ पे टू सेव आवर लाइव्स एंड टू कीप आवर वैल्यूबल्स सेफली वी गो टू द बैंक एंड वी कीप इट देयर ओनली। तो यहाँ पे बच्चों डिपॉजिट एंड विड्रॉइंग मनी के लिए वी कैन राइट बैंक, तो हो जाएगा BANK, बैंक। सो द आंसर इज बैंक। विद दिस चिल्ड्रन वी हैव कम टू द एंड ऑफ this exercise, and last question is question number E. So as in every question we have last question as application based question, तो यहाँ पे भी हमारे पास application based question है जिसमें we have a question, at your father's office you saw him using a computer. You all must have seen your parents, मतलब father using the computer at office. So here also children, tell your friend Shreya for what purpose it was being used there. So children, as we studied about the uses of computers in offices children, in the offices we print the we type and print the documents. हम टाइपिंग करते हैं, हम डॉक्यूमेंट्स को टाइप करते हैं, फिर उसको प्रिंट करते हैं और उसके बाद वी सेंड मेल। तो ये सारे काम हम ऑफिसेज में करते हैं और हम इनको यहाँ पे लिखेंगे। तो हियर वी हैव completed this question also. Now we will do question number E. We will write the answer of question number E. Question number E में हमारे पास है application based question. Application based question है जिसमें we are asked what all we do at office. So your situation is given and you are going to tell your friends, you are going to tell your father's office you saw computers, you saw him using a computer, and tell your friend Shrey for what purpose the computers are used in your father's office. तो आपके फादर के ऑफिस में आपने कंप्यूटर देखा है और आप आज अपने फ्रेंड को बताओगे कि आपके फादर के ऑफिस में कंप्यूटर का क्या क्या यूज होता है। सो लेट अस राइट चिल्ड्रन, एज वी नो चिल्ड्रन वी यूज क्वेश्चन नंबर E। क्वेश्चन नंबर E में है at your your father's FATHERS father's office, at your father's office you saw saw him using computers, tell your friend tell your friend friend Shrey Shay, tell your friend Shrey for what purpose purpose it was being it was being used there, there. So children, as we know, in the offices we use computers for keeping the for storing official data, for storing official data, for storing official record भी लिख सकते हैं, डेटा भी लिख सकते हैं, record for typing documents, for typing documents and for sending and receiving mail. For sending and receiving mail. So children, it is not necessary to write all the three, but these are the tasks which are done at the office. You can write any one or any two of these. So children, with this we have come to the end of this book exercise of chapter 4. Now children, we will go through the chapter, go to the exercise, learn difficult words and complete your exercise after watching the video children, and we will meet once again in our next video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day ahead.